A lot of questions are being raised, and legitimately so, about how the administration is managing sequestration, with a seeming lack of interest in reducing questionable expenditures before essentials like meat inspectors and airport TSA workers. Concerns are intensified by issues like one raised this week during a House hearing about a leader of the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, an agency known in the ag world as APHIS, said that he was told not to do anything that would lessen the dire impact Congress had been warned about when he was trying to spread out sequester cuts in his region to minimize any negative impact. At the same time, ABC News reported that portrait paintings of cabinet members continue to be commissioned. A painting of the outgoing EPA administrator will cost $38,000, for example, and federal agencies are refusing to access the media even to see those paintings, which kind of surprises me. The public relations blitz being used by the administration on this sequester issue is outright shameful, especially since nothing was done to find an alternative to sequestration. Government agencies need to trim the extras before trimming essential services. Even under sequestration, Washington will spend more this year than Washington spent last year. Higher taxes aren't the answer either. The nonpartisan Congressional Budget Office says that under current law, tax revenue coming into the federal treasury soon will reach and then surpass the 40-year average level. Revenues will remain at historically high levels through 2023. Federal spending already is above the 40-year average level, and it is projected to increase. Higher taxes take money out of the economy and thus away from job creation and economic opportunity. The government consumes wealth, as you know, and you know, too, that it doesn't create wealth. People at the grassroots know it's time for Congress and the President to focus on spending discipline. It's directly related to strengthening America's economy. Investors and job creators need some confidence in Washington's ability to make decisions and especially to manage spending. Instead of declaring the sky is falling, the President should work with Congress on meaningful spending and entitlement reforms, not just to save money, but to save the programs themselves. In addition, the leadership of the United States Senate should let the Senate work. We call that working under regular order, where the committees take action in their areas of responsibility, and there's Senate floor debate with amendments from both sides on important budget and tax legislation. The Senate majority has disregarded this responsibility for at least 3 years. Without leadership and action, future generations of America will be saddled with a legacy of deficits and debt.